everyone! Today, I'll guide you on how to add a border to your designs in Canva using 3 simple methods. Let's start with this image as an example. Method 1. Click on the image, then navigate to the top toolbar and select Border Style. Adjust the thickness, add corner rounding, and change the color to create your custom border. This method is perfect for creating simple and clean borders. Method 2. Head to the Elements tab, search for Border, and you'll find a range of border graphics and frames. Click on See All to explore more options. Once you've selected a border, click Add to Page. Drag the image into the border frame. Method 3. For a do-it-yourself border, utilize shapes like rounded squares or lines. Adjust their size and position them around the edges of your design, ensuring they're evenly spaced and aligned. Copy and paste the shapes to complete the border. Then customize their colors as necessary. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking and subscribing for more tips. Thank you for watching.